Hello, Facebook friends. We're going to start our FB Live today. Okay, so how many of you are excited for today? Can you type in the chat box, I am? Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your participation. Welcome to 3 things you need to know about your VUL plans before withdrawing money from it. What makes this video special is that you will discover 3 misconceptions of business owners towards their VUL plans, how life insurance companies compute cost of insurance, and 3 ways how to take advantage of your VUL plans. My name is Sheila Ching Ong. I'm a registered financial planner, a cash flow certainty coach. Over the past 16 years, I have helped business owners organize their life insurance policies and able to help them maximize and understand their existing life insurance plans. How many of you here have VUL plans? Type VUL in the chat box. Okay. Now, we will before we proceed to the main topic, let us first define what is VUL. Okay, so VUL is a acronym called Variable Universal Life Insurance. So with the term life insurance, VUL is composed of life insurance and investments. May I know, do you understand the word life insurance? If yes, type in the chat box. Okay, so life insurance, it means this is money, um, this is the fund that you want to set aside, that you want to give to your loved ones if ever something happens. Or it can be um, a gift, no? It's a gift that you want to provide for your children in the future, that they will feel your love. So I call it as a legacy gift. And then the another meaning of variable life insurance is that life insurance with investments. Okay, so these investments is invested in funds. It's just like investing in UITF and mutual funds. So with the word variable, it means it differs, it varies. It varies the life insurance coverage, it varies the investment coverage, the amount or the money growth. There's no specific amount, but the growth is, there's a high potential growth. Okay, so another meaning of variable, that this VUL is something that you can customize. Di ba? Uso ngayon ang customization, that you can create your own VUL plan according to what you want. There. Okay. So I have here a typical VUL plan. I will share screen. Okay. So this is a typical VUL plan. 27 years old female. She planned to invest 5,000 per month. That gives 60,000 annual investment for the next 10 years. So since this is a customized plan, she wants to have this plan for her retirement. Okay, so the projected amount, earnings at 8% growth per year, it is around 6.8 million. And then on top of that, as you accumulate 60,000 per year, there's a life insurance protection. As you accumulate the money, the goal is 1.2 million pesos. Habang iniipon natin ito, merong nakaabang na 1.2 million. So, para sa inyo ba, how many years for you to accumulate the 1.2 million? How many years? It's about 20 years, right? Okay, so but for this plan, you don't need to save 20 years. Okay? So simula pa lang na 5K per month ang hulog natin, palaging may nakaabang na 1.2 million para sa pamilya natin. And the goal here really is to accumulate wealth for retirement life, that you will have no worries with the money. You just keep on withdrawing money from the fund and enjoy your life to the fullest. Okay, so I have here an actual scenario. So this client, she just put money in the fund, in the accounts for more than 6 years. So summing up to 371,000 investment. And this investment created 250,000 medical bills and 1.1 million claimed life insurance. It gives her 372% gain. Okay. Maganda ba? Maganda ba itong plan? Sa tingin nyo, is it sulit ba? Okay, can you type in the chat box kung para sa inyo sulit ito? Type in the chat box sulit. Thank you. Okay. So yes, no, it is sulit, no? Kasi ang nalabas mo lang 371 and ang total return was 1.380,000. 1.350,000. Okay, so a lot of business owners think that they cannot withdraw money from their insurance policies. So let us see, no? Bakit kaya, no? Bakit ba nila 'to naiisip, no? Ito yung mga misconceptions ng mga business owners. So, first, that they cannot withdraw money. Is that true? Do you think na hindi talaga pwedeng mag-withdraw sa kanilang mga insurance policy? Maybe they're thinking na baka maubos yung pera dyan or mawala yung coverage ng life insurance. Okay? So, now I will share with you 3 tips na paano natin ma-maximize ang mga VUL plans natin. Okay? So, tip number 1, we need to know your account value. How much na ba ang current insurance policy mo? How much na yung value niya? Okay. So how will you know this, no? Number 1, check your own online portal. 'Di ba? Ang mga banks mayroon ng mga online banking, right? Ngayon, meron din online portal ang mga insurance companies. So since we are going digital, almost all companies have online portal. Okay? So try to access it, and there it's up to date. Every day, kung ano man yung account value niya, makikita natin doon. Now, maybe if you are really not a tech savvy, you can approach your financial advisors. Okay, and there are 2 more options. You can call the hotline of the company, and also if there's a nearest branch near you, you can visit and inquire. Okay, so very important to know your account value so that kung ano man yung plano mo, kung ano man yung pangyayari sa buhay ninyo right now, we can maximize your VUL plans. So that's number 1. So second misconception ng mga business owners is pag nalaman na nila yung account value nila, they can see, ang maganda kasi sa VUL plans, it is very transparent. You will know kung ano yung mga charges, kung ano nangyayari sa fund mo. So actually, every month, meron nangyayari sa plan ninyo. Okay, so maybe, if nakita niyo yung statement, naku, ang dami namang charges, nauubos ang pera ko. So that's the second misconception. So the second tip that I have for you is you need to understand these charges. Kung iintindihin natin tong charges na to, very minimal lang siya. It's mura siya. And if you will go back dun sa kaninang example natin, yung 371 investment, nasa around 70,000 lang talaga ang na allocate for insurance, for the life insurance coverage. And the remaining funds na maximize natin siya sa money growth. Later we will talk about it. Now, I will share with you a formula. Okay, I will share screen again. Okay. Thank you for my viewers. I would like to request you to comment in the chat box so that I get to know you guys. Okay. If you're learning, type yes in the chat box. Yes, learning. Thank you for the likes. Okay. So here's a formula. Simple formula lang. So the tip number 1 is you need to know your account value, di ba? So once you know that account value, you divide it to the annual cost of insurance. Okay, so doon sa example ko kanina, the account value, example, is 38,000 and the annual cost is around 3,300. So the answer is around 10 years. That's the answer. 10 years, it means yung account mo, yung policy mo, even though nakuhaan na siya ng 250,000, it can still survive for another 10 years. So you have ample time to recover. For this example, no, na case study natin kanina, the client is sick. She is recovering from cancer and she needs the funds. So as she recovers, there's time, ample time, 10 years, ample time to pay off, to parang isole yung money, no? Kasi the intention really is for retirement. So meron kang flexibility, meron kang space to rest from saving and recover from the amount na nawala sa atin. Okay. So here's the formula. Okay. And so are we learning? Can you type in the chat box? I'm learning. Now, I will go to the misconception number 3. Okay, so siguro iniisip nyo, no, oh, na-withdraw ko na yung pera, and baka hindi naman sustain yan for my lifetime. Mawala yung life insurance din. Okay? So tip number 3 is you need to take advantage of investment opportunities. As mentioned kanina, the investment side of VUL plans are invested in the funds. So we need to understand what funds are available. So you need to take time to understand each fund that is available and i-maximize natin kung ano yung opportunity, kung saan man maganda magpasok so that the money growth that you have in your VUL plans, lumago ng lumago. And it will help your plan to extend more years. Yan, there. Okay, so now you understand how VUL works. Now we are ready in maximizing it. As you get to know your current account value, understand the charges, and take advantage of the fund investments, no, it is best to reach out to your advisors to get this information. Now, maybe you're thinking, no, baka nahirapan kayong mag-reach out to your advisors, or if ever you're not sure if your advisors can explain it well to you, no, you can reach out to me. We can set a video call, free call for 30 minutes, and I can assist you with the 3 steps. And more to that, I can help you set up a plan on what are your goals, no? And also guide you on how to maximize your existing policies. So I'm calling out business owners who have existing insurance policies and wants to maximize them. I'm giving away free 30-minute call. Just choose your best in my link. So I'll be putting there in the chat box the link. Okay, put it here. Yan. So, ngayon ko lang nakita yung comments ni Deng and Miss Dailin. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, so now here's the link. Thank you. And yan. Hello, Christian. Yeah, so here's the link if you want to help me help you do the 3 tips that I told you. We will be able to know your current account value. We will understand the cost of insurance of your policies and also be able to understand or know the advantages that we have. in your investment, in your VUL plans. Okay, so now I would like to know, what are your tales? What are your takeaways, aha moments, okay, insights, learnings, and significance from this video? Okay, just type in the chat box. Thank you so much for watching me today. So I'll see you again next week. The topic will be about three ways on how to make our VUL become a health insurance policy. Okay, are you interested to know more about it? Okay, I'll see you next week on Friday at 4 p.m. Have a wonderful week ahead. Thank you. Bye.